What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now, do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Hey, today we are having another fabulous day in the cryptocurrency market. I'm going to bring you guys another hot low cap coin. You know, your boy Stock Holiday love the low cap coins because those are the coins that if they do start to catch flame, if they do go parabolic, that could really take your portfolio to another level. But before we get into the coin of the day, first let's do a little bit of housekeeping. Today, Bitcoin blasted over the $67,000 mark. That is a great level for us to be at several days after the Bitcoin halving. We know during the Bitcoin halving about 3 days ago, we were at 63,700 or $63,900. So we are ascending. We're heading in the upward direction. That is a good sign. That is a great place where you want the market to be heading at days after the Bitcoin halving. So we're paying attention to all the indicators. We're paying attention to the market sentiment. We're even paying attention to the correlation as it have with the doggone stock market. We know the stock market is up and down, but if you saw today, a lot of the Bitcoin mining plays, those plays are starting to run up. We know after the Bitcoin halving, the Bitcoin miners will be in control. They are controlling the doggone Bitcoins. They're controlling how many Bitcoins they want to mine. Do you guys want to pay more for these Bitcoins that the miners are asking? You want to pay $63,000? Well, I'm not going to sell it for 63. You want to pay 67? I might not sell it for 67. The Bitcoin miners have the market at its mercy. They can hold out and they don't have to sell the Bitcoins that they're mining maybe till they get to 80,000. Maybe they wait until they get to 100,000. And all that right there will play into the overall supply shock that we are in the midst of. I mean, this is going to be a fabulous bull run, fabulous bull market. We know we had two supply shocks. We had the first supply shock from the spot Bitcoin ETFs on January 10th. Now, in April, we're having the doggone Bitcoin halving a few days ago. That is the 4-year supply shock that we always have. So the market have never seen two supply shocks within a 4-year period, and we're having two supply shocks within about a 4-month period. So this is fabulous. That's why I say we are in the midst of a super cycle. Things are really getting ready to turn up. Things are really getting ready to head up real fast. You know, we've already seen the market push up real fast above and beyond what most people expected. So we're just going to continue that uptrend. Bitcoin's at $67,000 today, up 3% on the day. The Fear and Greed Index is starting to rise. It's starting to go up. I think we 65 or 70 today, so it's starting to pull up. Like I say, that's another indicator that we like to pay attention to. Once we ride this Fear and Greed Index up to 92, 95, like I told everybody over there in the Patreon, we will be looking to start to sell off some of our plays because we know when the Fear and Greed Index gets to like 92, anything between 92 and 95, typically that is when a correction happens. That is when a pullback happens. So we kind of want to protect our gains, protect our profits along the way. We don't want to be, making $15,000, $20,000. Then the correction come, we lose 8,000 or 11. No, we want to maximize and keep as much of the gains, much as the profits as we can. So we're going to be paying attention to that along with a host of other indicators that we are paying attention to. So let's get to the token of the day. Today we are going to be talking about Suku coin. Now, some people call it Suku World. This is a nice low cap gem. I don't see a lot of people talking about this coin. This coin came out back in 2020. It came out during the previous Bitcoin halving. We know the year after the Bitcoin halving is when a lot of the coins really start to pump and go parabolic. Currently, this coin is sitting at 20 cents. It's up about 10% on the day. The market cap is very low. It is at $36 million market cap. Now, this market cap has been showing great strength all year. You look back on this coin, at the beginning of the year in January, this coin was 5 cents. Currently, this coin is 20 cents. So just that quick, this coin did a 4x. So this coin is letting you know it's getting ready. It's getting ready to pump. It's getting ready to run. It's getting in position. So what am I doing? I'm getting in position. When I see the characteristics of certain coins, when they start to shift, when they start to move and get into certain positions, especially a upward position like this, then that's when your boy Stock Holiday follow the market, listen to the doggone play, listen to the coin and what it's telling me. It's telling me this thing is getting ready to take off. It's getting ready to have a crazy parabolic run this alt season. So I want to be a part of that journey with Suku World. Now I got a nice position in this coin. We're going to ride this doggone thing up. The market cap is $36 million. The all-time high in the previous bull market was $1.50. So in order for it to get back to $1.50, this coin only have to do a 8x. And we know once coins get back to their all-time high, that's when they break the ceiling. There's no longer a resistance level, and that's when the coins go parabolic because there's nothing to resist it. There's no roof. There's no ceiling. So all this coin needs to do is an 8x, and it will break the $1.50 mark. It will make new all-time highs, and then it will start to really get strong, build up crazy momentum, and just go parabolic. $36 million market cap. It's easy for this coin to do a 10x and get to $360 million market cap. This coin is supported on Coinbase, one of the largest and biggest cryptocurrencies exchange around. So if Coinbase is supporting this coin, then Coinbase is saying that it's vouching for Suku and Suku World. So Suku is already showing that it is having great momentum. So this is a play that we're locking into. Like I say, do your own research. Just because I'm picking a play don't mean you pick the play. Be the own CEO of your own portfolio, and you do the research, you do the due diligence, and figure out if this is the right play for you and your organization as being the CEO of your portfolio. But as for me and my portfolio and my team, we are doing going into this doggone play, and we going in there aggressive. $36 million market cap. If it do a 10x, we talking about $360 million market cap. So we are very excited. Like I say, if my portfolio alone does a 10x, then we're happy, we're satisfied. I believe this play can do well above a 10x. I'm looking at more of like a 50x. For it to do a 100x, you're talking about a $3.6 billion market cap. Can it do a $3.6 billion market cap? For it to do a 50x, you're talking about a $1.5 billion market cap. Now we know this is a super cycle we're going to be in the midst of. We already see the way Suku coin, Suku world is performing, is reacting. We're paying attention to the characteristics of this coin. This coin is already showing muscle. It's already showing that it is going to be going crazy, parabolic. So I'm glad that we got in right now at this position. A few weeks ago, you could have got this play at 11 cents. Now today it's 20 cent, 21 cent. So you would have already doubled your money in just a matter of a few weeks. That's what I'm saying. This coin is already showing great muscle, great strength. So put this coin on your radar. Do a little bit of research. See if this is the right coin for you and your organization as the CEO of your portfolio. Come on over there and join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. We have a great group of like-minded individuals that love cryptocurrency, love to talk about cryptocurrency all day. You can get great ideas over there. And if you have something to input, we would love to have your input over there. Especially if you're a newbie, you do not want to be a lone wolf navigating in this bull market. You want to find you a close-knit community like the Stock Holiday Patreon, and we would love to hold your hand and share with you the information that we have and the experiences that we have been through. Now, like I say, I just come to y'all every evening just to continue to give y'all that good motivation. Coming to y'all every evening to give y'all that good encouragement. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.